my feel-good breakfast show.
Do you think they can see us?
They can. Oh, wait, we must start the show.
Hey, welcome back. Welcome back.
To your Feel Good Breakfast Show. Time to pick a box, or better known as...
Biggie Buggies, out Biggie Buggies, see ya! Biggie Buggies, out Biggie Buggies.
You had to SMS the keyword travel to 33728 in order to stand in line to choose one of these boxes inside some amazing prizes. So far, we've given away box 3 and 5. Peaches was the last to win. Who will be our next winner on Expresso's Feel Good Breakfast Show?
They're going to be feeling very, very good today.
Is our phone lines ringing already?
We're waiting for the line to ring, and there it is.
This is the Avios card.
Biggie Buggies, out Biggie Buggies, out Biggie Buggies.
Racky,
good morning.
Hello.
Yes, who am I speaking to?
You're speaking to, this is Katlejo and Ilana from Expresso.
Yes.
Ah, it's great to hear your voice too. Listen, the reason why we're calling is that it's because it's Friday and it's pick a box, and you are one of our lucky callers. So box number 1, 2, or 4.
You need to choose one.
Box number 2.
Box number 2, that's right
Box
here in front of me.
number 2.
Racky, let's see what you've won, Racky. I'm so excited right now.
You have won, and what is hiding in box number 2? It is a hot air balloon experience.
Oh my goodness, streamers all over. A breathtaking hot air balloon experience from Life Ballooning, including a tranquil 3-night stay at the Kai Tai Rothbury Lodge and Spa treatments for 2, valued at 8,600 Rand, Racky. Yes!
Thank you very much.
Piggy Buggy.
Only a pleasure. Listen, do you have one of these?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Do you have one of these?
It's an Avios credit card.
No, I don't have a credit card.
Oh, so I'm gonna just hide it here now and put it away because you don't have one. But that's fine. If you had one, then you could have chosen another box. But don't worry, you've got an amazing prize anyway.
Enjoy it, enjoy it. Thank you very much, Racky.
Thank you very much.
Only a pleasure. Have a good weekend. Bye.
I love it. Okay, listen. So that's what we do on a Friday. Monday, when we come around, there's 7,000 Rands worth of prizes. 7,000 Rand. 2,000 Rands with value of paint from Plascon, and then 5,000 Rands worth of Yuppie Chef kitchen equipment. Monday prize giveaway. Oh my goodness. Is it the other way around?
It's the other way around.
Okay,
you know what? It's just a really big prize, and you have to stay tuned. It's a 7,000 Rands worth prize.
Yes, exactly. 5 plus 2 is 7. Exactly.
Yeah, so you can win all of that. Also on the 21st, that's an extra week, we'll all be together with the Navi presenters at the Cape Town International Airport. So diarise, ne?
It's going to be epic. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be everything you wish for and more.
You know you've got some of these things on you, right?
That's how I choose to start my Friday, because it's that time of the week. Thank you very much for joining us, and have a great weekend. We'll see you again next week, Monday morning, bright and early. More
and
Expresso.
Next Friday, we will do it again. Piggy Boxy. Piggy Boxy.
Rita Joy.
Piggy Boxy.
Alala.
Piggy Boxy.
Expresso guests and presenters sleep tight courtesy of Protea Hotels.